Hello Photo 2, today we're going to be doing our layer masking. So we have our source image. This is the image where all of our objects are going to fall into. You can see I have a flattened layer, so I've done all my editing and then I flatten the layer. To get my new image into here, I'm going to go to File, Place Embedded. You might just have File, Place. Once I do the Place Embedded, I'm going to find my image, which is this hand. And I can, grab these bounding boxes and adjust it to how I want. I'm going to lower the opacity so I can see it. And I want to utilize this corner here. Think about how this hand is going to be grabbing something. And then I hit return. I do a control right click on the layer and I'm going to go to rasterize layer. I'm going to turn my opacity all the way back up and hit the layer visibility is off, but I'm still on this layer. I'm going to get the Polygonal Lasso tool, and all I want to do, and you want to zoom in for this, remember you can use your space bar, just click and drag, click and drag. So I'm just going to make an outline of my screen on the phone, and I'm just clicking and dragging, trying to get as close to, where the white part of the phone meets the screen. Okay, and I'm just clicking and dragging. Again, I can use my space bar to help me move around. You know it's closed off when you see that little circle. So here I have my marching ants. I'm going to go to Select, Modify, Feather. And it may have 1. You're going to put the number 2 in there and hit OK. And that just softened your edge. And then I'm going to turn my hand layer back on. So what has happened now is now I need to have these marching ants go around the hand, okay? So all I do is get my quick selection tool, which is right here. W is the shortcut. You want to make sure you're on quick selection. And up at the top of your control panel, you can do the plus and the minus. Plus is going to add. And again, the brackets to the right of the letter P is going to make that brush size bigger. So I'm really going to zoom in. And doing these fingers, I'm going to be smaller on my brush. It's okay if it goes to the outside, like I can see the edge of the hand, like I'm getting some of this white information in there, which I don't really need. I'm not going to worry, but you could go to the minus and kind of pull these pixels down, but I'm going to show you how you can fix it as well. Okay, so then on the left-hand side under the toolbar, I'm going to go into the quick mask mode. It's underneath the foreground and background color, and it's this little square, and it has this little dotted circle.